Hello everybody, Subic Bay Johnny down here at Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Yes, the former U.S. Naval Station Subic Bay. I'm out here right by the Kalakalan Gate. No, I'm wrong. I'm right here by the Rizal Avenue Gate. Okay, I'm wrong. I'm wrong, I admit it. Sure, I could have deleted it, but what the heck. Now this is the Rizal Avenue Gate. To get to the Kalakalan Gate, you go down here a little ways and you turn to the right. Follow the road. And that will take you down by National Highway and the cemetery. And if you want to go to Olongapo from there, you turn to the right. You want to go to Barreto or farther, you turn to the left. And this is pretty close to the Royal Duty Free. And this highway right here, the cross is Rizal Highway. We got a school right here across the street, Subic Bay First School. First school of Subic Bay Freeport Zone. And that's a private school, by the way. I guess the lights aren't working. The guard told me I could. And it's a hot day already. There's my advertisement there for the Rotary Club. I guess they did something here, I don't know. Oh, which way I want to go? I want to go this way. Don't know how the video is going to turn out. The sun is extremely bright. I'm walking right into it. So if I don't upload it, it's because it's no good. That's all I can say there. Like I said, that's Harbor Point Mall there. I don't know, I think I prefer rainy season to this heat here. It's just hot. And I'm talking about extremely. Okay, time right now is about 9:15 in the morning. Mall doesn't open till 10. People just don't get out early because it's 7 in the morning it's hot. Okay, I'm on the corner of Rizal Highway and Santa Rita Road. Just take me a 2-second break here because, like I said, it's a hot day today. Boy. Today's a good day to go to the beach. And they've got a place called their Slimmer's World. It's a gym. I guess a lot of people like it. Doesn't cost very much. And it's co-ed. Yeah guys, co-ed. Right here by the Sakura Japanese restaurant. If you come down here to Subic, I recommend visiting the mall. Hello, good morning. Yeah, I highly recommend going to the mall. Hey, sir. How you doing? No classes? Ah. Today's a holiday?
Yeah, Father's Day.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah. I'm a blogger for YouTube. That's Lyceum, right? Oh no, that's NBTC, right? Oh no, it's Lyceum. Okay, take care, buddy. Holiday. He said what the holiday was. I didn't understand what he said. See, when you come from like Manila or Angeles, and the bus will stop at Harbor Point for you. Now you have to tell the conductor now. Don't just assume he's going to stop. When you tell him you want to get off at Harbor Point. I've taken lots of videos inside Harbor Point, by the way. Security has never said a word. I mean, some of these malls, security will jump on you now. But not at Harbor Point. And when I say it's hot, I mean it's hot. I want to give a big shout out to Jim. He just arrived here. I think he arrived last night or night before. I think last night. Anyway, he just arrived here and wanted to have a very good vacation. And Doug is in the States right now. He'll be coming in the near future. No, I don't give out hotels. I don't tell you where they are and what dates they are doing what. And I don't tell you where they're staying. Sorry about that, but that's just the way it is. I'll just give a shout out. Anyway, not a whole lot going on here. Like I said, the guard there at Lyceum, which is a college, he said today is a holiday. Guess I could Google it, huh? And welcome to Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Oh, today's a good day to be inside under the air conditioning. Yeah, I agree there. And this is Santa Rita Road. I'm in no hurry. See there, Santa Rita Road.